We thought we had the universe figured out, or at least how comets work. But then came something we never expected. An object so fast, so distant, and so strange, it didn't even come from our own solar system. Scientists call it 3I/Atlas, but behind that simple name is a mystery traveling millions of miles, right toward our sun. This isn't some ordinary piece of rock. It's the third confirmed interstellar object ever spotted by humanity. And now it's reaching its closest point to the sun, an event that scientists say could reveal some of the most mind-blowing secrets we've ever uncovered about other worlds. Stranger still, some experts say it's behaving in ways that no one can explain, and after this pass, we'll never see it again. So what exactly is 3I/Atlas? Why are top astronomers scrambling to study it? And what could the strange visitor be hiding? At first, 3I/Atlas sounded like just another space rock, one more icy traveler floating through our solar system. But when scientists tracked its path, they realized it wasn't just passing through. It was on a hyperbolic orbit, flying away from the sun with too much speed to be from here at all. That was the giveaway. The object was not in any way tethered to the gravitational pull of the sun. And that could only mean one thing. It was interstellar, literally from another star system. The name 3I tells you everything. It's the third interstellar object ever observed. The Atlas part comes from the telescope survey in Hawaii that discovered it. So in simple terms, it's a cosmic stranger, spotted just in time before it vanishes into deep space forever. It's a staggering reminder of how little we truly know. This object wasn't predicted. It wasn't anticipated. It just appeared, like a rogue message from somewhere far beyond. Back in 2023, the Atlas telescope system caught a fuzzy glimpse of something faint, cold, and far. Nothing spectacular. At first glance, 3I/Atlas looked like any other long-period comet. It wasn't even newsworthy, until calculations started rolling in. Astronomers noticed something strange. Its speed wasn't normal. Its trajectory didn't loop around the sun like most comets. Instead, it was coming in fast and would never circle back. That's what changed everything. Researchers quickly realized they had something historic on their hands. Yet again, a visitor not bound by the sun's gravity. Just like Oumuamua in 2017 and Borisov in 2019, this too was from out there. But this time, it almost slipped away unnoticed. Think about that. Something from another solar system came flying through our own backyard and we nearly missed it. To understand why 3I/Atlas has astronomers so intrigued, you have to look back at its two famous predecessors. First came 1I/Oumuamua, the first confirmed interstellar object. That one blew everyone's minds. It looked like a cigar, acted like no comet, accelerated like it had an engine, and didn't leave a visible trail. Theorists, including Dr. Avi Loeb, openly speculated. Could it be alien technology? Then came Borisov in 2019, which behaved far more like a normal comet, shedding gas, forming a tail, and doing things comets are supposed to do. Still, it was unmistakably interstellar based on its speed and path. Now with 3I/Atlas, we have something in between. It has some comet-like traits, but it's fainter, harder to observe, and already showing signs of unusual behavior. So naturally, the theories are flying again. Is this a new type of interstellar object? A fragment of a larger interstellar body? Or a sample of materials we've literally never seen before? The truth is, even experts aren't sure. And that's what's got everyone so locked in. Here's where things get even weirder. As 3I/Atlas approaches its closest point to the sun, it's doing less than expected, not more. Most comets, as they come closer to our star, begin outgassing, releasing jets of gas and dust as their icy surface heats up. That's how they form those bright, beautiful tails. But 3I/Atlas, it's staying quiet. So what's going on? There are a few theories. One, it could be made of unusual materials, maybe more rock than ice. Two, its interaction with the solar wind might be too faint to detect yet. Or three, it could be breaking apart so subtly that we're missing it. But here's where speculation takes over the internet. Some users claim the object's stabilization and lack of outgassing suggest it could be powered or artificial. While this sounds wild, it reflects a deeper sentiment we all share. The universe still holds secrets we've barely begun to uncover. And this might just be one of them. Right now, we're approaching a unique window. 3I/Atlas is getting closer to the sun day by day, inching toward what's called perihelion, its closest point to the Sun. Expected in late 2025. Astronomers worldwide are preparing. Telescopes will lock in, solar observatories will track it, and hopes high that heat from the Sun will force this strange object to reveal more about what it's made of. Will it start outgassing violently, providing us a glimpse of its internal structure? Will it fragment like some comets do at high speeds? Or will it sail past mostly unchanged on a journey that began light years away? One thing's for certain, we're likely never getting a second chance. This object is on its way out, forever. Here's the frustrating truth. These interstellar visitors are fascinating, but almost impossible to study in real time. Why? Because they move crazy fast, faster than most space probes and human-made spacecraft. By the time we spot them, they're already often slingshotting away from the Sun and Earth. Oumuamua was discovered after it had already passed us. Borisov gave a bit more time, but tech limitations still meant we couldn't do much beyond telescope observations. With 3I/Atlas, it's the same story. We've got a narrow window. No current spacecraft is in a position to chase it down. And building one fast enough? That would take years, probably more time than the object will even remain detectable. Some scientists are now calling for interstellar interceptors, missions pre-planned to wait in space just in case something like 3I/Atlas appears again. But until then, all we can do is watch. Naturally, when space gets weird, the internet lights up, and 3I/Atlas has sparked its fair share of internet rabbit holes. In Reddit forums, comment sections, and amateur astronomy groups, people are asking the wild questions. Is this just another comet, or something more? Some point to its oddly stable behavior, or its faint visibility despite being relatively close. A few claim it's too quiet to be natural. Others go further, suggesting it could be an alien probe, recon device, or even debris from some ancient interstellar civilization. While mainstream scientists reject these notions due to lack of evidence, the comparisons to Oumuamua continue. That object too broke the rules. It didn't outgas, it accelerated unnaturally, and even respected astronomers said, we can't rule out intelligent origins completely. With 3I/Atlas, we're seeing similar patterns of confusion. And that's what keeps the mystery alive. Even if it's a completely natural object, which is what the data currently suggests, it still means that blocks of ice and stone from somewhere else are randomly flying into our solar system. That should blow your mind. We live in a universe so vast, and yet somehow pieces of totally different solar systems still find their way into ours. And if these fragments are making the journey here, what else could be out there making its way toward us? Visitors, relics, ships, or maybe nothing at all. Just silence and frozen dust drifting for eternity. Either way, 3I/Atlas isn't just science. It's a reminder that the cosmos is far more alive, more connected, and more mysterious than we can imagine. So here we are. An interstellar comet that shouldn't even exist in our skies is now glowing faintly as it brushes past the Sun for the first and last time. We may never get all the answers, but in this one brief moment, humanity has a chance to learn something extraordinary from a traveler that's come farther than we'll likely ever go. What do you think 3I/Atlas really is? Just a rock with a wild story? Or something much more? Let us know in the comments, and if this kind of cosmic mystery gets your imagination going, hit that subscribe button, because this is only the beginning, and the universe, it's just getting warmed up.